Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the exciting features of the Nothing Phone 2 Plus. This phone has been making waves since its release, and for good reason. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design. The Nothing Phone 2 Plus sports a sleek, transparent back that showcases the unique Glyph interface. This interface lights up for notifications, calls, and even visual countdowns. It's not just stylish, but also functional. Moving on to the display, the Phone 2 Plus features a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It supports HDR10+ and can reach a peak brightness of 1,300 nits. The colors are vibrant, and the smoothness is just incredible. Under the hood, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset. This powerhouse delivers exceptional performance and efficiency, making multitasking a breeze. With up to 12 GB of RAM, this phone is perfect for heavy users. The camera setup is impressive too. The Phone 2 Plus boasts a triple camera system with 350-megapixel sensors, wide, ultra-wide, and front camera. The front camera, in particular, has seen a 56% improvement over its predecessor, ensuring stunning selfies and videos. Battery life is a big deal for many of us, and the Nothing Phone 2 Plus doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 50-watt fast charging. You can get a day's worth of power in under 20 minutes. Other notable features include IP54 splash and dust resistance, a fingerprint sensor under the display, and stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Plus, it runs on Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.6, offering a clean and smooth software experience. So, what do you think of the Nothing Phone 2 Plus? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.